schoolwork and stuff. 7th grade's not that easy. And so I finally got a chance to make a video, and you know what that's about? It's my science project. So my science teacher asked me this question. So you're supposed to design and make something, or you can make something out of Legos or anything like that. And I thought about it. What should I make? What should I make? And then I got an idea. How about a robot, like a hydraulic arm robot? It's like a hand that can like pick up things and go up, and it can like swing stuff. And so I'm deciding to make a robotic arm. And currently, well, right now I already made the robotic arm, and I kind of forgot to make the intro. So I know how it already looks, but you get the point. I'm trying to act more natural here. So let's get on to the video. That was a lot of slow. So this is the box of the hydraulic robot, and it's called Elenco, and it's the creator of snap circuits. I think you all have done this like what, 6th grade. You have to do that for like E-Read or like STEM. And this is it. This is how it's supposed to look. Here you can see the controls, the whole arm, and the water. So you move this forward, and this will move up or down. I don't know which one it does. And this can pick up things. And here you can like suction cup. It's like a suction cup. You can pick up things. I'm not sure if it's gonna work with all of this stuff here, but I'm gonna pray if it does. And yeah, it has like 200 pieces from what I read from the back. Yeah, it has 200 pieces. And here you can see all the pieces. So the elbow motion can go 44 degrees up. And there's a suction cup, as I said, and a gripper. Here are the controls. And here, this moves the entire arm around here and there. And this whole arm can move 270 degrees and move up and down 90 degrees. And this wrist, it can go like this and 180 degrees. And this control arm that goes like this and this, it goes 45 degrees. And here's the whole thing if it gets pulled up. And this is the maximum length it can go forward on all the way down. And this is all I have of this. Now let's start with making this. Hi, I'm voice recording, yes. And so this is our hydraulic arm. There's our instructions. There it shows us how to do all of this, basic stuff. Then next we have white. This is used mainly from what I believe, the base and the more upper parts of it. And this is the wires that hold water through them. And next we have over the wrappers, so we have this black. This is for the controls, where you put the controls in. Pretty big. And then we have all the white. These are used over the upper bar of the hand that moves it. Then we have the blue. This goes in the middle and adjusts this stuff. And here we have black. This is used near the bottom for making little adjustments. And orange is my favorite. It's the inner core of everything. It makes everything work. It's like the tiny mechanics underneath in a car. Then we have, black, another black. Here is most of the big boys. We use this for like the controls or like the big gripper part of the hand, and that's the base. Then we have two metal clinic things. I do not know what they're actually going to be used for, but I hope I'll see what that is. Then we have whatever that is. It's a black thing. I guess it goes with the black. Then we have a few orange bits, and finally we have this blue thing. This holds and stores water in it, and this is all of it together. All the pieces that we have to make the hand. So this is part of the gripper that I'm using with the screwdriver. This is the front of the grippers. It's the front part. It told us for the first step to make that, and then we're gonna make the rest of the things. This is technically my first time using like a screwdriver for an actual reason, so yay me! And then these are both of them together. They're sticker pads so that they won't like clink with each other and makes an annoying sound. Yep, there it is. So this is one of the big boys. So that is for the base that goes over there. I'm having some struggle over there. And here, the big black thing with holes in it is the control panel. And we'll be adding some stickers in that, except I didn't take any videos. that you add some stickers around the side so that it doesn't wind apart, or it's like, and it feels soft in case if you hit yourself into that. And here's the whole thing. Like I said, this has 200 pieces. This wasn't that easy. And this is part of the upper part of the hand. Like if you're looking at an actual hand, it's part of the between the wrist all the way to like your elbow. That's the part we are looking at right now. This goes up and down and connects over there near the orange bit to that controller. Here I am just looking at all of this. Pretty nice, you know. So this is the whole upper part of the hand, and the robot can turn and twist all the way 270 degrees. Like I said, over there it's going 270 degrees, and it can go up and down 45 degrees from what I believe. So this is the next step. Sorry for hurrying this much. And here we have 6 of these. As you can see, some of them have a weird top, while others look, you know, same or identical to others. One of them doesn't even have a top, and they go up and down, and this is what we're using for the water. The water will be put in there. They'll be connected to 2 sides and push up and down. So here we are making the suction cup for the hand. It's between the gripper, and here is the whole thing that we're making. There we go. And here we have a photo of it. So this, remember the 2 cylinders I showed you and how I'll connect them between a big wire? Now here we are. They have water in it. So if you push one down, it goes up. Push up, it goes down. So it's pretty cool. I like it. That's how you're going to move the arms and the other parts of it. Now we're putting it up together into the hand. We're almost there, and as you can see, we started connecting them up to the controls. So this is the controls we have for the hand, and you can see that it's moving up and down. The only issue is that sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. You just have to like push and pull, and it'll work. That's just the big issue I have. But other than that, it's superb. I love it. It's just that the instructions sometimes are a bit too hard, but we're good. We're good. So this is the arm without the gripper, but all the controls are in place except the wires, and this is the whole thing. And now we're going to add the gripper. Now we're putting the gripper on. You just have to slide it in and make sure you hear that thuck sound, and you are set. Finally, we get to add the whole cable thing, and we're done. We're at the last bit, the last step. We're connecting all the wires together. We have to put it in a correct order, or else the wires will be whole jig-jag. And we have to put it through certain slots. And if you push and pull, the right thing should be that it goes up and down. The gripper works in and out, and it twists side to side, and the hand goes all the way up. And there we are.
Now we're going to move the AirPods as a demonstration of how this works. So we're going to rotate this back up where it's supposed to be. Pull it down. Here you can see that this is what happens here. If you go like this, push, push. So going down, down, and down. Maybe a little bit more this way. And now we're going to pull the AirPods up. So here we go, up, up, and can I have some AirPods? Thank you. Now we can go back to its resting spot. Because if it goes high for too much, if it goes too high, it's not good for it. Because these pipes are not supposed to be extended that much. And if it's all the way down, it's better for the water. So I really enjoyed making this hydraulic robot over here, and I think you guys should also make your own. Like, not saying that you should make like this, but you can make your own type of robot. Make it yourself, like with cardboard box or wood, or you can buy one from the kit, like how I did. I'm planning to make another robot, but not like this, even more harder. And I'm not sure if I can really finish it because this was pretty hard for me. I'm not the best at making stuff. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, like this channel, and share this video to the whole world. Bye!